Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to iron your clothes without an iron. First, let's explore the power of steam. A steamy environment can work wonders on wrinkled garments. Simply hang your item in a bathroom while taking a hot shower for about 10 to 15 minutes. The steam will gently relax the fabric fibers, making wrinkles much easier to smooth out. After steaming, give your clothes a good shake and smooth them by hand. Another effective method involves using a hair dryer or a flat iron. For a hair dryer, lightly dampen wrinkled areas with a spray bottle or damp cloth. Set your dryer to a low or medium heat, holding it 1 to 2 inches away, moving constantly. For smaller, stubborn wrinkles on collars or cuffs, a hair straightener is useful. Ensure it's clean and set to a low heat. You can also achieve wrinkle-free results using flat surfaces and pressure. One technique is to roll your garment tightly, like a burrito, and leave it for about 30 minutes. This pressure helps flatten out creases. Alternatively, lay your item on a flat surface, place a slightly damp towel over wrinkles, and press down firmly with your hands for several seconds. For very small creases, a heavy book can act as a temporary press. Finally, consider using a commercial wrinkle release spray. These products are designed to relax fabric fibers and are incredibly convenient. Simply lay your garment flat or hang it up, then lightly mist the wrinkled areas until slightly damp. After applying the spray, gently pull and smooth the fabric by hand. Allow the item to air dry completely. You'll notice a significant reduction in wrinkles, saving time and effort.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.